Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening reminders and making a dedicated list so items stay organized. Tap New List, name it, pick a color and icon. This helps you scan quickly later. Once done, open that list and tap Add Reminder to create your first item. Say what, when, and why right away in the title. Use short, clear text because you'll scan it later. Make sure to tap Done so iCloud syncs across devices and you don't lose anything. You now add details that make the reminder actionable. Tap the reminder and press the info icon to reveal date, time, and location options. Choose a time for deadlines or a place to trigger a notification. Once set, assign a priority so urgent items stand out, and add notes or a URL for context. If a task has steps, create subtasks to break it down. Make sure to verify time zones and repeat settings so recurring items behave as you expect. Finish by organizing and sharing so reminders fits your workflow. You can drag items to reorder, flag important ones, and rely on smart lists for overdue or flagged tasks. To collaborate, share a list and grant edit access to contacts. That keeps team errands synced. If notifications don't appear, check focus modes, alert settings, and make sure reminders is allowed in notifications. Also confirm iCloud sync is on. If problems persist, toggle Wi-Fi or restart the device to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.